Viewers, hi! My name is Andrew. I'm a content creation educator. Today's video, we're going to learn how to create effective call to action videos, CTA videos, with these 3 important points. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this video. And to do this together with us, we have with us the country manager of Ceremonic, one of the brands that produces a lot of audio and microphone throughout the world, Wanda Wong.
Hi.
You guys produce a lot of CTA videos every day and every week, right?
Yes, we do that a lot.
Okay. So you know what are the 3 things that advertising companies do to make people get attracted to CTA videos?
I know. The first, you should remind the users what their pain points.
That's right. The first one is to always tell the viewers, hey, you're having these problems, right? And these are your pains. That's the first one. Highlight the problem because you want to hurt the viewers. And they will look at the first point and go like, yeah, I really get bad quality audio. My microphone is just hard to set up and it's so old. So those are like what you say, pain points. And then number 2 is where you offer immediately right after that. Check out my products and services.
That's right.
Right? And then you may have a lot, just like all of you, you may offer like 10, 20 features and solutions. But a call to action video must be straightforward and simple. I still remember in 2016, the first time we were a very small channel, right? And then you guys produced one of your first microphone and you were in China, I was in Malaysia. And why did you send us an email and ask us to do a review? I'm just curious.
Because I find your channels is very simple to understand and you just straight to the point.
Straight to the point. Keep it simple. So you may have like tons of features, but keep it to 3 points or 5 points. Because viewers will only remember 3 or 5 points. They call this the odd numbers. So if I tell you 1 or 2 points, you find that it's not enough. If I tell you more than 5, 10 points, who's going to remember that? So keep all your points and features to 3 or 5, the odd number rules. And then thirdly, you've got to tell them, act now, do it now. Straight to the point like what you mentioned. So you talk about their pain, you offer the solution in 3 to 5 features. We can solve this for you. And then click now. Always make that button a different color. Put the website there, click now. If you sign up now, we give you this much offer. If you sign up now, we give you an extra cable. That's the call to action itself. So in fact, the color that you choose for the button follows an important rule of 60-30-10. More on the 60-30-10 rule in the next video. So why not? That immediately will make people click on the button. So you got to do all this in like 30 seconds and 60 seconds. And you know what? You're going to do one now.
Wait, me? You have too many microphones. One for your camera, one for Android, one for iPhone. And they are all difficult to set up and use. Your solution? The Ceremonic Blink 500 B2 Plus. This 4-in-1 wireless microphone meets all your audio needs. The Blink 500 B2 Plus features universal connectors for cameras, iPhones, Android devices, computers, iPads, and more. It can link 2 devices with just 1 receiver. The receiver can be attached to your smartphone and mirrorless camera simultaneously. The batteries can last up to 20 hours on a single charge. And best of all, the transmitter can also act as a shutter remote control for your smartphones. So hurry, click on this link and get one now.
Well done, Wanda. That's her first time doing this. And that exactly is how you create a call to action video in 3 easy steps. And let's do a quick breakdown how Wanda did her CTA videos. So the trick is, if you're camera shy, all you need to do is just appear in the intro just a few seconds. And immediately when you talk about the features, the best way to do this is to do a voiceover just by reading the script. And just like that, you get yourself a very effective CTA video covering all the 3 points and minimal face-to-screen appearance time, if you're camera shy. Hi! Are you already shooting photos and videos for your own ads, but somehow you find that they are not up to par like those created by professionals? Well, the solution. Visit our website here, Beyond Photography. is an e-learning website that will teach you how to create your own photos and videos nicer. And through our e-learning website, you can learn to do all this effectively on demand at a highly affordable price. And the best part is, you get a wide variety of genre to learn from. From taking nicer photos, to lighting, to audio, to videography, post-processing, digital composition, you name it, we have it in our premium courses on our website. Click on it now. And microphone, one more time, battery cut, battery cut, battery cut, sorry, battery cut, battery cut, battery cut, battery cut.